Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cBot in cTrader. First, open the cTrader platform and switch to the Automate Algo section. This is the area where all automated trading robots and indicators are created and managed. Next, go to the cBots tab and click on New. This will open the cBot creation window where you can start setting up your trading robot. Now, enter a name for your cBot so you can easily recognize it later. After that, choose the programming language you want to use. You can select either C# or Python, depending on your coding preference and experience. Then, choose how you want to create the cBot. You can start from scratch, which gives you a basic empty structure where you add your own logic, or you can use a built-in template, which already contains example trading logic and adjustable parameters. Templates are helpful for beginners because they are ready to edit and test quickly. Once you click Create, the code editor will open automatically. This is where you can write or modify the trading logic of your cBot. Inside the editor, you will see predefined sections of code. These sections control how the cBot behaves. For example, there is a part that runs when the bot starts, another part that reacts to market price changes, and another that runs when the bot stops. You can add indicators, conditions, and trade execution rules inside these sections. The method that runs on every price movement is useful for fast strategies, but it can use more system resources. For most trading strategies, working on completed candles is more efficient and stable. After editing the code, save your changes and build the cBot to make sure there are no errors. Once it compiles successfully, your cBot will be available in the cBot list and ready to be attached to a chart for testing or live trading. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.